I am Afnan Tajuddin from MarketUptrade.com, your trusted platform for advanced trading tools and indicators. Visit MarketUptrade.com and click on Indicators and Tools to explore all our products. Today, I am excited to introduce you to my latest TradingView indicator, Portfolio by Afnan. And the best part, it's completely free. This indicator is a game changer for tracking your trading portfolio directly on TradingView. No need to log into a broker's platform to check performance. It's all in one place. Here is how to get started. Go to the Indicators tab on Chart, search for Portfolio of None. Click on a star to add it to your favorite list and activate it. Indicator will instantly display entry, stop loss, and target lines on your chart, along with detailed portfolio table. On table, you can see purchase rate, quantity, entry price, SL price, target price, SL and target percentage based on the current market price, risk to reward ratio, holding days, position size, total PNL, daily PNL, and risk amount for each stock. Rows and cells are highlighted dynamically. For example, if the RPT percentage exceed your expected threshold, it's highlighted with an orange background. You can customize this in setting. If you are on the chart that is in your portfolio, it will be highlighted with blue background in the table. Positions where SL or target is hit are automatically highlighted in red or green color, making them easy to track and remove from your portfolio. You can also view the number of SL and target hits in the summary section. Table also provides a portfolio summary, including your balance, which you need to enter in setting, exposure value, means investment. You also see total profit and loss, current investment value, and overall risk percentage. Let's talk about customization. Click on setting icon. In setting, you need to enter your balance, maximum RPT percentage. You can hide entry exit lines depending on your preference. And if you are on the paid trading view plan, you can set alerts for SL and target levels. You can hide table completely, or if you want to see table for the current symbol only, you can enable that option. You can also hide or show a specific column. You can adjust table style as per your need. Portfolio table supports up to 14 symbols, but currently you can see 7 symbols in the chart because 7 are selected in the settings. If you untick any symbol, it will be removed from table. To set it up, you need to enter the stock name, quantity, entry price, SL price, target price, and the date of purchase. Everything else is calculated automatically. This tool is perfect for traders looking to simplify portfolio management, track performance efficiently, and optimize their trading strategies. Use the Portfolio by Afnan indicator today and track your positions like never before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.